guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nikki. So as you guys can tell by the title already, I'm going to be trying out the Dyson Supersonic hairdryer, and Dyson was kind enough to gift me this hairdryer while I was doing some hair modeling for them the other day, and I had the chance of seeing the hairdryer firsthand. They did like a finger coil out on my hair, and I used the diffuser, and this is what the hairdryer looks like. I'm so excited because they recently came out with a wide tooth comb attachment, and if you guys know already, this is basically like the Afro pick comb attachment that we usually use on a regular hairdryer, but they've came out with one for type 4 hair girls, and I'm really excited to try this out. They said that this was specifically made for girls with type 4 hair, and they've tried it and tested it out, so I'm gonna put it to the test. So I'm gonna be comparing it to my regular hairdryer. You guys already know this hairdryer is a classic. It's the one with the just like the Afro pick like this, and obviously my problems with this one is that this always comes off and it breaks a lot. Like the pick always breaks, and this overheats, and sometimes it blows up as well. So I'm gonna see how well it works on my hair, because I actually haven't used this myself, so this is going to be my first impressions because I haven't used the Afro pick or anything. I'm going to open it and try it out for you guys, see how it works, see if it's fast drying, see if I get smooth results, if it's worth it or not, and I'm just going to share my honest opinion with you guys. So yeah, let's just get started. I'm going to be using this first to do the tension method, and then I'm going to go in with the comb attachment.
Yo, what was that girl's name again?
Yeah, what's her name? What's her name?
Was it Jenny?
Nah, it was Susan.
Oh!
Hoping it's far away, never comes the day when I lose you. Hoping it's far away, never comes the day when I lose you. Yeah, never will I hurt you, so I like you, do you like me too? I be like shit, she could dance on a dick, post her like a chair, and I'm hoping that she gonna sit. It's all good, I be good, I be chillin' now.
Okay, so already I'm noticing I'm getting more like salon quality results where, look, my hair has movement, so I can easily, ooh, I've got some hair in my hand. So I can see myself easily being able to do like a silk press after this, because as you guys can see, my hair has like a lot of movement, and this was pretty quick to do. For my type of hair, I would suggest you use this first and then go in with this, because with one of the sections I used this first and then I went in with this, and it gave me smoother results than just going in with this straight away, because you would have to, you know, I don't really like the idea of combing through my hair like multiple times. So this to basically get most of the liquid out of your hair, and then this for smoothing. I really love the way this feels like as I'm using it. It doesn't feel like it's yanking my hair out, and I don't have hair like flying everywhere, and my hair is super smooth, as you guys can see, and you'd be able to get through your roots a lot. And I still have shine, like I have shine, and yeah, And with this, they said that you should only use like a little bit of product so that you won't get like that smoking effect and stuff. And plus you don't really need that much product because they're claiming you won't get heat damage, but you know, we'll see when I wash my hair and stuff. So yeah, so far so good.
Yo, what was that girl's name again?
Yeah, what's her name? What's her name?
Was it Jenny?
Nah, it was Susan.
Hoping it's far away, never comes the day when I lose you. Hoping it's far away, never comes the day when I lose you. Yeah, never will I hurt you, so I like you, do you like me too? I be like shit, she could dance on a dick. Post a nigga chair and I'm hoping that she gonna sit. It's all good, I be good, I be chillin' now. Got a big fucking booty, can you stick it out? Stick it out like hoping it's far away, never comes the day when I lose you. Hoping it's far away, never comes the day when I lose you. Yeah, I'm on mama shit 365. Treat you good to the day that I die. Ain't stuck on a win or the why. What the fuck is your side? Yeah, popping wood like a lumberjack. Started goods, had a heart attack. Gotta go see when I say goodbye. Do I got the
So I've just finished this side of my hair. As you guys can see, my hair is super smooth and shiny as well, and this took like I feel like 3 minutes on each section, and I used the lowest heat setting, and sometimes I did like the little cool shot that is over here. I'll give you guys my final thoughts in a minute.
Yo, what was that girl's name again?
Yeah, what's her name? What's her name?
Was it Jenny?
Nah, it was Susan.
hoping it's far away, never comes the day when I lose you. Hoping it's far away, never comes the day when I lose you. Yeah, never will I hurt you, so I like you, do you like me too?
So this is how my hair is looking right now. As you guys can see, I have a lot of movement. A lot of movement. If I move back a little bit, you guys can see my full length. Whew, I'm so hot. I've got the heating on, I've got all these lights, I've got a lot on. But so this is my final thoughts on this blow dryer. It's super quick. It does get like a little hot, but it's not the blow dryer itself that's getting hot. It's like how high you put the heat, because I tried to put the heat like on the second highest heating setting. Maybe it's because my heating is on and everything, all the lights and stuff, but I got a bit hot, so I guess that's a con. Super fast. It gives you like smooth results. Your hair will feel super flowy, so if you're going for like a prep before your silk straightening routine or whatever it's called, this would be a perfect blow dryer to use, so that you can have like minimal heat. It says that it is supposed to give you like less heat damage, and you can like reuse it over and over again. Hopefully I don't get heat damage from it. What I love the most about this hairdryer compared to this hairdryer that I have is that this thing did not come off once. Like literally it didn't come off at all. and this is something that I really struggle with. This is not going anywhere. Once it's on, it's on. So this is like one of my biggest struggles when it comes to blow drying with like blow dryers like this with comb attachments. So yeah, there's less teeth in this one as well, which is basically like, it feels like you're using like a regular Y2 comb to comb your hair out. So that is like one of the things that I love most about it. It's super light. This one is a lot heavier than this one, so it's super light. I love that it has different controlled heat settings. You can go to the highest heat, lowest heat, there's medium heat, there's different pressures for the blow dry speed as well. And one of the biggest pros when it comes to this hairdryer is that my hair is not flying everywhere. There's not hair here, 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 here. There's literally not hair flying everywhere. My hair is literally still in one place, and my hair is super, super smooth. As you guys can see, even my roots are pretty smooth, or like how much I can do personally. But yeah, my roots are pretty smooth. So I'm basically just gonna do like a braid out hairstyle with this. I would definitely recommend it. The only con I would say is basically you know, the price of it. But if you have the money, or if you want to gift somebody this, then this would be like the perfect like holiday gift or whatever. Because I was actually gonna gift this to myself this holiday, but you know, Dyson came through with the hairdryer. And yeah, that is all I have to say on this hairdryer. Let me know what your thoughts are down below. Do you guys think that I got really smooth results? I personally think I did. My hair's super flowy and I like it a lot. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you want me to try out next. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.